In this tutorial, I'm going to finish setting up the project static files. Open a browser and go to this URL. This documentation discusses Django static files. Static files can be things such as images, JavaScript, or CSS. I want to change how the project static files are locally served. But before I do that, go to your project, go into static, and I'm going to create 3 new folders. The first folder I'll call static-only. Create a second folder and call it static. Create another folder, the last folder, and call it media. Open Sublime Text and under Try Django, open settings.py. I'm going to set the directory path for when debug equals true. Debug will only equal true during local development. When I put the site live, I'll change debug equal to false. So scroll to the bottom of settings.py and type if debug, all uppercase, and then I'll set the media underscore URL and set that equal to media. Now I'll set static underscore root, and I'll set the static underscore root to os.path.join, os.path.dir name, and then this will take the base dir, and then it will go into static, finally ending in the static-only folder. This is very similar to what I did for template underscore dirs up here. But instead of ending in templates, this ends in static only. Copy static underscore root and paste it below. Change static to media, so it's media underscore root, and I'll set the media root to go into static, ending in the media folder. Now I'll set static files underscore dirs equal to bracket os.path.join os.path.dir name, and this will take the base dir too. This will go into static, then into the second static folder. Make sure though you have this trailing comma at the end of static files underscore dirs. I put the bracket down here so that's more obvious. That's very important. Make sure it looks just like this. Open Finder. The media directory will hold things such as users' pictures. The project's CSS and JavaScript will go in the static directory. Under Try Django, open urls.py. I'm going to set my static URL. Before I can set the static URL, I need to import settings and static. To import settings, type from django.conf import settings. To import static, type from django.conf.urls.static import static. To set the static URL, type if settings.debug URL patterns plus equals static settings.static underscore URL, and then document underscore root equals settings.static underscore root. This if statement, if settings.debug, is saying that if in the settings folder, if debug equals true, then set the static URL to this URL. I'm going to create a media URL. So copy the static URL, paste it below, and instead of static, change this to media underscore URL, and for document underscore root, change that to media underscore root. Save urls.py. To ensure all the CSS and JavaScript is gathered by Django to be displayed, I need to collect my static files. If I don't see any styles on a page, it is likely because I did not collect run static. To run your static files, open terminal, type python manage.py collect static. So if you need to collect your static files, if you don't see any CSS on a page, don't see any styles like this, if it's just text with no colors or anything on your page, then go into your root of the project where manage.py is and type python manage.py collect static. Hit enter, hit yes, and I can see that 61 static files were copied to static only. Now the project static files are set up and working. See you in the next one.